everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome. So today, you guys, I am going to share with you how I do some additional meal prep. Now this year, two things have been introduced into my life that are absolute game changers for me. One of them being protein shakes, which I absolutely love. And the second thing being meal preps. Now, protein shakes are really easy to make. However, I am very busy. I work outside the home. I've got 2 YouTube channels and I have got a lot going on. So anywhere that I can find that I can shave some time off of my busy schedule, you guys, I am going to do exactly that. So stay with me and I am going to show you how I do additional meal prep as it pertains to protein shakes. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, welcome back. So if you have not yet seen some of my videos that I posted with these protein shake recipes, then I'll leave them up above and you can check those out as well. But I say all of that to let you know that a couple of things that I do put in these protein shakes are strawberries from my strawberry banana flavor, and then also zucchini. And these are both frozen. So in order to save yourself some time, what you do is when you get the zucchini, what you do is you rinse it off, you slice it up, you freeze it into a container so they do not stick together, and then you put them into a freezer bag. So that way, when you get ready to put together your protein shake, all you need to do is to go into the freezer, take out a few slices, put it into your container that you're gonna blend it in, and you are all set. That's one thing. Now, the other thing that you need to do is strawberries. I've already rinsed these off and I already took the stems off, and all you need to do with these is slice them, and I will do exactly that when I get a knife. All right, you guys, so go ahead and slice them just like that, and then these you do exactly the same thing. Just put them into a container, slide them into the freezer until they start to freeze so they don't stick together. And then at that point, you can go ahead and put them into a freezer bag. All right, everyone. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I am going to prep these little baggies with the ingredients that I need to make these smoothies. So this week I have decided that I am going to have 2 strawberries, 2 chocolate peanut butter, and 1 Oreo cookie flavored smoothie. So I just take a little sandwich bag, Dollar Tree, you guys, fold it over a glass, make my little assembly line here, and I am just going to get busy with putting in the ingredients to make those smoothies. So I'm going to start with protein powder. Then the sweetener. And then a pinch of salt to boost the flavor in these. All right, you guys, so now at this point, okay, that's when I put in the flavor specific ingredients for each of the smoothies that I have decided that I want to drink this for this particular week. So again, I'm gonna have 2 chocolate peanut butter, And then one day I am going to have this Oreo cookie flavor. And then the next 2 days, I am going to have a strawberry banana. And that is going to take some of this banana extract, which I will end up putting into the unsweetened almond milk, and also some of those strawberries I sliced up that are in the freezer. And you guys, I now have my protein shake prep. Shake this down, seal it up, and then store it away. All right, everyone, and here we have it. 5 days worth of protein shakes. And all I need to do is the evening before, I'm gonna go ahead, again, to save time, I'm gonna go ahead and put my unsweetened almond milk into the mixer. So the next morning, all I need to do is come down to the kitchen, get this out of the freezer, get this out of the cabinet, whichever flavor I choose to have, and I will put it in here, okay? And in the case of the peanut butter chocolate or the Oreo cookie, all I need to do is to go to the freezer, take out some of this frozen zucchini, drop this in, blend it, and then put it in my travel cup, and I am good to go. Now, for the strawberry banana, all I need to do is get the milk, get one of these little baggies, put a little bit of the banana extract in it, go to the freezer and get some of these strawberries, blend it along with some ice, and put it in the travel cup, and you guys, I am good to go. So again, this year, game changer for me, meal prep and protein shakes. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoyed my mini meal prep and some time-saving tips, then please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And remember, you guys, to press that subscribe button below, and also remember to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. This lets YouTube know that you are interested in the content, and then they will spread it around. Thank you so much, you guys. And remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thanks again, you guys, and I'll see you soon.